Morning! We're going to the Australian Meat Emporium where we're gonna get steak, ribeye steak, and just check out all the meats that they have. Because I learned how to cook steak in 5 minutes on YouTube via YouTube. So we're gonna try it out today.
It's very cold.
And sunny. Cold and sunny. Perfect. Entered the cold room and we need to wear these. Do we? No, actually we don't. Let's go. Wow. Cafe. We have the treats and we're gonna feed the cats. Look at that! Oh my gosh, look at this one! Oh, so cute! Look at them all looking at me and waiting for my treats. You're so pretty. Hi. This is how the food looks like. And here's a time lapse of my very first cat cafe experience, which I ended up loving so much. I have to say, before I came into the playroom, I was really nervous because I heard that cats are unpredictable and that I was afraid I would get scratches, but I ended up not getting any. But loving the cats, I especially love the munchkins because they're cute, but also kind of weird. My favorite. Oh, so cute. The way it rests me.
Why you keep moving?
What is this?
Okay, the coconut really makes it.
Yeah. What is this meal? It's crazy. And the meat just slides off the bone. Not bone, but it just melts in your mouth. You should find the food. We just finished at khao soy.
I'm very full. It's good. It's very, very good. But it reminds me of laksa and mee pok.
It does. Like they use flat curry noodles and like some laksa broth which is like thick and creamy, and you can add your own coconut milk. The pork ribs though. How's the pork ribs?
It was very good. Very chewy. Good fats.
Good fats, yeah. That's how you should always eat pork ribs. How much would you rate the meal? Like out of 5 egg noodle.
Full out of 5.
Oh, full out of 5. I will rate it 5 egg noodles. Yeah, I'll rate it 5 egg noodles out of 5 egg noodles. That's how much I would. I love the meal. I think it's straight ahead. Oh, careful. Like it was my first meal of the day, but it was the best meal of the day. Hey. When the golden hour hits. In the 3 years that I've been to Sydney, I've never walked the harbour bridge. But thanks to Yisi, I'm walking the bridge today. Wow!
But to be very honest, the multiple times I've came here, I only walked like half the bridge. Take a photo and then I'm back.
Oh! Oh, I can smell the banana. Oh,